Two of Iraq's most ambitious infrastructure projects, the Central Bank Tower in Baghdad and the Grand Al-Faw Port in Basra, have been recognized as some of the most significant megaprojects in the world for 2025. The projects, ranked 11th and 10th, respectively, by the renowned British platform the B1M, highlight Iraq's growing influence in global architecture and infrastructure development. These achievements reflect not only Iraq's commitment to modernization but also its ambition to reclaim its place on the global stage as a hub for economic and cultural progress. Zaha Hadid's Central Bank Tower, Iraq's tallest building. The Central Bank Tower, designed by the iconic Iraqi architect Zaha Hadid, is a landmark of innovation and modernity in Baghdad. The building, located in the Jadriya district along the Tigris River, is poised to become the tallest tower in Iraq upon completion in 2025. The Zaha Hadid Central Bank of Iraq Tower stands at a height of 172 meters, making it the tallest structure in the country. It comprises 38 levels in total, including 3 underground floors. Spanning a footprint of 19,000 square meters, the tower offers expansive office and administrative spaces designed to support the bank's growing operational needs. Being built on the banks of the Tigris River, the reinforced concrete skyscraper has a narrow base, widens slightly at the middle before tapering inwards at the top. It is set back from the river on top of a large podium that occupies an entire city block. The facade is framed by a dynamic outer skeleton that features rippling patterns of open and closed elements, designed to mimic the way light reflects off the waves of the adjacent Tigris River. This exterior also serves a practical purpose by shading the glazing and creating a variety of light and shade within the interior spaces. The tower's grand atrium draws natural light deep into the building, opening the interior towards the river and providing expansive views across the city from its wider middle levels. The structure was designed to mimic the light reflecting from waves on the adjacent river while shading the glazing. The structural exoskeleton serves the building's environmental strategy, with its geometry carefully crafted to control solar gain and daylighting throughout all office levels. Most of the structure is reinforced concrete, RC, capitalizing on the local industry's expertise, while the longer spans adopt a lighter, steel construction. The upper floor RC slabs achieve exemplary design performance, with elements that span freely between the main central core and the exoskeleton, thus preserving all floor plates as column-free. This is an exemplar in sustainable design. The architectural and engineering geometry drives the concrete to work harder and provide many different functions beyond simply carrying the building's weight. The podium at the base of the building mirrors the dynamic design of the tower, with a series of landscape terraces and gardens that connect the structure to its surroundings. These terraces gradually scale the building down, creating a seamless transition between the headquarters and the neighboring areas, while also managing access to the bank. The vertical layers of the exoskeleton extend into the podium, reinforcing the architectural coherence of the design and anchoring the building within its environment. Zaha Hadid, known for her groundbreaking designs worldwide, continues to leave an indelible mark on her homeland. The Central Bank Tower embodies her vision of blending aesthetics with structural innovation, further cementing her legacy in modern architecture. The building contractor is DAX Construction MMC. The concept design is by Zaha Hadid Architects, and also the detail design is by DAX Construction MMC. Grand Al-Faw Port, a game-changer for Iraq's trade and logistics. The Grand Al-Faw Port is set to transform Iraq into a regional maritime hub. Located at the mouth of the Shat al-Arab, the port is being constructed by South Korea's Daewoo Corporation under a $5 billion agreement. The port spans an impressive area of 54 square kilometers, making it one of the largest infrastructure projects of its kind. It is designed to accommodate up to 90 berths, significantly boosting its capacity for maritime shipping. One of its most remarkable features is a 14-kilometer-long breakwater, which has been officially recognized by the Guinness World Records as the longest breakwater in the world. The Al-Faw Grand Port project is supported by a comprehensive transportation network that enhances its strategic value. At the heart of this system is a 1,220-kilometer railway line that connects the port to Turkey and extends into Europe, making it the longest railway in the region. This vital link positions Iraq as a key connector between East and West Asian markets. Complementing the rail network is a modern highway that runs between Al-Faw Port and Qasr city. This route passes through a submerged tunnel and integrates seamlessly with Iraq's broader highway system and the new development corridor, ensuring efficient freight movement to key industrial zones. One of the project's most remarkable engineering feats is the Khor al-Zubair Tunnel, an underwater passage that connects the eastern and western parts of the city. It not only facilitates the smooth flow of goods but also stands as a significant regional achievement in modern infrastructure. The port is being built in 5 phases, with the first phase expected to be operational by the end of 2025. Surrounding the port will be industrial zones, residential areas, and facilities for tourism and travel, enhancing its role as a comprehensive economic and logistical hub. Al-Faw Grand Port represents a beacon of economic transformation and strategic ambition, redefining Iraq's role in global trade, with its strategic location on the Arabian Gulf. This port is not just a transportation hub, but a transformational project connecting continents, boosting economic growth, and integrating Iraq into the global trade network. Al-Faw Grand Port enjoys a distinguished strategic location on the Arabian Gulf, making it Iraq's main gateway for trade with Gulf and Asian markets. This location transforms the port into a key transit hub for goods destined for global markets, strengthening Iraq's role in the international economy. Through the integration of sea, rail, and road transport networks, Iraq consolidates its position as a central player in regional and international trade, becoming the heartbeat of regional and global commerce. As part of the Al-Faw Grand Port development, significant attention has been given to environmental sustainability and maritime accessibility. The port's channel dredging operations ensure a navigational depth of 19.8 meters, allowing safe and efficient access for large cargo vessels. In parallel, a modern waste management system has been implemented, utilizing sustainable disposal methods that comply with international environmental standards. These measures not only enhance the port's operational capacity but also reflect a commitment to ecological responsibility and long-term maritime sustainability. With its strategic location, unprecedented capacity, and integrated logistics solutions, Al-Faw Port is poised to revolutionize regional and global trade. It serves as a cornerstone for trade between Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. The port achieves exceptional integration across sea, rail, and road transport networks, ensuring efficient and seamless movement of goods. It significantly contributes to the economy by creating thousands of jobs, increasing GDP, and attracting global investments. Its advanced and innovative design positions the port to adapt to future changes in global trade and evolving market needs. The development road represents an integrated strategic axis with Al-Faw Grand Port, extending over 1,200 kilometers, linking the Arabian Gulf with Europe via Turkey. This road allows for a faster and more efficient flow of goods between continents, enhancing Iraq's position as a central hub in international trade. In addition, this road serves as a major pathway for developing road and rail infrastructure, opening new horizons for regional and international economic cooperation. The project is initiated by General Company for Ports of Iraq, GCPI. Point 32 Abu Dhabi Ports Group established a joint venture with GCPI to develop Al-Faw Grand Port and its economic zone. The agreement includes potential investments, management, and operation of ports, economic zones, and related infrastructure in other Iraqi cities. Point 33 The master plan was designed by a consortium of Italian infrastructure consultants led by Impregilo. Point 34 The first phase of the project is under implementation by the South Korean Daewoo Company. 35 Under the supervision of the Ministry of Transport. Point 36 The total cost of the project is approximately $5 billion. Point 37 Both projects represent Iraq's efforts to diversify its economy and reduce reliance on oil revenues. The Grand Al-Faw Port, in particular, will position Iraq as a key player in international trade, connecting Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Zaha Hadid's Central Bank Tower showcases Iraq's potential to excel in cutting-edge design and construction, putting Baghdad on the map as a center for architectural excellence. These projects reflect Iraq's ambition to reclaim its leadership role in the Middle East. The Grand Al-Faw Port is poised to compete with major ports in the Gulf, enhancing Iraq's geopolitical significance. The inclusion of Iraq's central bank tower and Grand Al-Faw Port in the B1MS list of top megaprojects for 2025 is a testament to the country's resilience and vision. These projects not only elevate Iraq's status globally but also lay the foundation for economic growth, cultural revival, and regional leadership. As Iraq continues its journey of modernization and recovery, projects like these symbolize the country's potential to emerge as a beacon of progress in the Middle East and beyond.